Let's take a look at the chart action for MATIC. Alright, so here's what I'm looking at on Polygon. We're on the daily time frame right now, and we're looking at resistance right here, support right here, and support right here. I'm watching this channel pattern, something like this. It looks like we got a breakout to the upside right there, and we got a nice little breakout, as a matter of fact. It's looking pretty good. So what I would do is target from the top to the bottom of this channel, something like that, drag that to the breakout, and I'm looking at a target of approximately 1.883. I think if we could break out of this level right here, this little resistance area, we'll be heading to the next one, which could be around maybe 2.215, or possibly this previous top, which is around 2.46. Let's put like a horizontal red line, maybe something like this. I think if we could break this red line right here, we might be heading towards this previous top over here at around, like I was saying. The other thing I'm looking at is we have resistance right here and resistance right here. Let's do another trend line that we can keep an eye on, maybe something like this. It looks like the price is coming into contact with that right now and getting a little bit of resistance. I'm kind of curious if it's going to get rejected, and we're going to have to retest maybe this trend line right here with this support and this support, maybe do a trend line something like this. So I'm kind of curious if we're going to break through right here, or if we're going to get rejected and have to retest this trend line and then have to maybe try to break out again later. I'm also looking at support right here, and support right here. Let's do a trend line, maybe something like this. So I think if we zoom out a little bit, we could be looking at a big, huge triangle pattern that looks like we're testing right now, and it looks like potentially we could be breaking out of. I'm not sure where I would target on this triangle, maybe from the top to the bottom over here to try to be conservative about it, maybe drag to the breakout, something like that, and that kind of puts us around this previous top right around here. But in general, I think if we could break this downtrend line right there, then I think we're going to see a big move for MATIC. So you definitely want to keep your eye on it. It looks like we've already gotten a big, huge move from breaking this resistance line right here. Let's see if we have to come down and retest, or if we're just going to break through and potentially start trying to test our previous resistance levels right around maybe 1.80, somewhere around there. Like I said, I really want to see us break this red line right there at around 1.80. And then we can start targeting the previous top around 2.39 or something like that. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like MATIC, hit that thumbs up button.